Good job, man.
Now that this series is all tied up, let's see which species will drive their way back to a lead. This next challenge is personally my favorite. I got one of the fastest drivers on the planet, and he'll be going up against a car that literally drives itself. But the robot isn't in the driver's seat. It's back here. This is the AI brain of the car, which in a race can react faster than any human alive, making it the fastest unmanned car on the planet.
I've never seen anything like this before.